Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to be making this hairstyle. So the style you've seen at the on the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you the full hairstyle at the end of the video, so you have to stay tuned, or you have to watch up till the end of the video to see what the final look is, because I had to do like a full photo shoot session with this hair because I absolutely really loved it. So first things first, I have that pattern I did isn't really great, but yeah, you try to get the picture. So what I did first is I braided the hair, and then I am going to be using this Kinky. So because Kinky has a natural look to it, I'm going to be using Kinky to wrap around my hair that I braided up until the end, and then I'm going to start forming like a donut-ish effect. So I'm going to start wrapping the Kinky, so it has like a how do you call this thing? So it has like a ball, yes, a ball or a puff look to it. And then I'm going to like just keep mounting the Kinky on and then wrapping it, mount it some more and wrap it. Now while I'm wrapping it, I'm kind of forming that ball as well, just so it has that look I'm going for. And I'm also doing this to be like really small, to be like quite big, because I was only making this hairstyle just so I can take pictures with it. The plan wasn't to carry it for long. So like costumeish hairstyles like this, to be fair, they don't really last very long, because if you're using it to do like a shoot, or if you're using it to go for like an event or something, all this like statement hairstyle would be really good. But this was just, I saw the picture somewhere and I thought, let me just try it out and see what it looks like. So I decided to give it a go. This is my first time, so please do not roast me if it doesn't come out well. This is my first time actually trying this hairstyle, and I was pretty impressed with the end result. So I've just carried on like forming the balls, forming the ball on the hair, molding it, wrapping it around, adding some more Kinky extensions to it, forming it a bit more, wrapping it around, and then just pulling it just so it's just the bottom that has got the full-on effect. And yeah, that's it pretty much. I'll just carry on doing the rest of the hair, and then you would see it up close in a bit now. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. I'm not quite sure what to say about this hairstyle, but I'm absolutely loving it. It is a bit different. It's very costumey or photo shooty. So what I'm just going to be doing now is going to be showing you up close. So I'm using the this Kinky. So this is the full or the bigger pack of the Kinky braiding hair, and then I'm going to be using what's the spin called, crochet pin, and then I would pass the Kinky hair through the crochet pin, lock it down in place like you can see me doing it now, and then I would then use my hand, drag it so it's now in between my natural hair, and then I would hold one side so it's short and the other side would be longer, as you can see me doing now. And then I'm going to just start wrapping the longer side around my natural hair, and the shorter side of the Kinky, I'll just keep wrapping it and wrapping it, so almost like you're threading the hair, but you're using Kinky to thread it, just so it has that natural look to the hair. So I will do that all the way to the end, and then I would grab another piece of the Kinky hair, then I would finish braiding it, then I would start forming the ball at the end of the hair, just so I can get what I'm aiming for. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep adding and wrapping and forming, adding, wrapping again and forming. You can see how the ball is slowly coming together. So I'm just going to be doing all of that all the way through. It's nice to have like a longer, like what I currently have on now, and this long Kinky attachment, just so the ball comes out better than using the small Kinky, because there is usually 2 different packs of Kinky. So having this bigger pack is so much more easier to work with. So I've just wrapped it around, I've formed the ball, and yeah, I think the hair came out like really well. And I didn't want this to be, I would have made it a lot smaller, but because I was trying the hair, so I got someone to like teach me how to make hair, which I'm very impressed with how quickly I was able to learn. For someone that did not know how to do like quite a lot of these things, I was able to like do so many hairstyles with my hair. So I think on this particular day we changed like 3 different hairstyles. So this is one of the hairstyles I made. I'm going to be doing a lot more, and I'm going to be recording or documenting it on this channel. So yeah, this is how pretty the hair came out. I'm just dragging it down just so it's not too like high up on my face, and then I had to like give myself a face bit just so I can get the photo shoot done. So yeah, that's the finished look, and I think it came out really well. And next off, we're going outside to take some really cute pictures with this hair. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about this hairstyle and what hairstyle you want me to try on next. If you like this kind of content, you know what to do. Please like, share and subscribe. And that is me in my photo shoot session. This dress is from madcollection.com. I will link that on the screen now. Bye.